Tassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Five is zero, right?
Yes.
So maybe 5 is 0. Last week we finished the
Yes. Now we are
Siko.
Now we are
Soko also we finished, right? Yeah, next part.
Ja
Ja Hanimi Ajijeta Jijete Jijesate Jajanawa Jago. Okay, so Jaja is what?
Hanimi.
What kind of what Jaja?
Root.
Root, okay. Hanemi is? Root meaning. What does it mean, Hanemi? Abandon, okay. So root Jaja in the sense of abandon. So but that one is explained 4 ways.
Yes.
Ajijeta, Jijete, Jijesate, Jajana. So Ajijeta, what kind of verb?
It is
Past tense. Jajate,
it is Vatamana.
present tense. Jijesate,
Bhavisanti.
voice and future tense. Jajana.
Jajana is a verb for the Itawa.
Right, Gidhawa. Jajana, Gamana, Dasana, Bhojana.
Now.
Right now. Present participle anta, mana, ana, not jajana. Here just jajana. Ing, okay. So last week I explained that one. What is it? The soda, name of this soda, what is it? What does it mean, Bawa?
Bawa in the impersonal.
Meaning.
The state.
Impersonal, okay. Referring to the what? Action. So here, Jajana also action. So that is Bawa form, Bawa sadhana. So that means the what jago, how to form? Root is
cha,
ja. Suffix is
na.
na. How become?
The nanubanda would be and cha become the ga.
Da don da. Ja.
Cha become the ga. Follow the sutta. Ga ya cha cha na.
Root is ja. Suffix is
Na.
na. So to become the jaga, what do we need to do?
Anubanda. Nanubanda.
Nanubanda, what happened?
The would be nanubanda. That means the na, the rock, and wood. Yes. Become long. Would be
Which are?
the first and Hatu Santa Lopo.
Okay, so this one is the first.
Yes.
Then the second.
The third.
Then the third.
Okay.
So it is you need to explain.
And ja become the ja.
Whenever we see the with two vowel root, firstly drop the last one. After that, another process we need to do. Because you see, if we don't drop the ending dadunda sara, so now because of our surface, root vowel become long, so which are problem, you see? Okay, so jago, now jaga, we finish. Not finished yet.
Ja become the ga.
Ja become ga, okay. So this is first step. Now, okay, format of the what is finished. But what does it mean?
Abandoning.
Abandoning. Okay, abandoning. So abandoning the action. So cannot be said as a present, cannot be said as a past, cannot be as a future. So that means in any time can happen, the action. So that is why, even though jago is Bhava form, but before that, jijidi, or something like that. Ajijita, jijidi, jijisati. Okay, here, now in this example, main is jago. Now we understand the jago. But through the remaining one, Ajijita, jijidi, jijisati. Now these three what you see. And because of ta, the asati, we understand that is past form, present form, future form. But what kind of form it is? Active or passive or impersonal?
Impersonal.
So how to analyze it?
Okay, that means the first word chicha, chitha. That means the this is a woman. Root is cha plus.
Is what? Past sign, okay. Past tense, that is before the root is inserted.
That means a good woman. That means we put it before the root.
So why you should say?
Okay, plus with the ya, plus with the itha.
Okay. So the meaning of ya here?
This is the power.
Okay. So actually ya can be true, right?
Yes.
In the gamma and in the bawa. But because of final here in jajana. So that's I can see.
Okay.
Already?
Yeah.
All sure?
Sure.
Oh, quite skillful.
It's already died.
Okay. No, not done yet. Okay, now we got it. Now next part. Yaja. Right? Okay, read it.
Yaja
Yaja Dewa Puja Singati Karana Danisu Ejeta Ejete Ejesate Yajananwa Yago Yojana Yogo. Okay, Yojana Yogo is the next one. Got it. Now Yajana Yago. Okay, root is Yaja. Root meaning is Dewa Puja Singati Karana Dani Su. Okay, later we'll translate. We're trying to understand. But you know how become Yago Yaga? Root Yaja surface
Yago or
Na surface and then what do we need to do?
The first is Hatu Santo Logo Ane Nena Kasara.
Okay, what do we need to do first?
First, the adding of the root.
Drop. Okay, and then
Na
Nubana drop, and then become Avodi and Ja become Ga. The same, right?
Yes.
The same as Jago, Yago. That is at the same form. Okay. And then before going to the, root meaning, the Dewa Puja Singati. What about the past form, past tense form?
And from Yas,
What is voyage?
Yacha. Yacha plus Ya.
Ejeta. Okay, Ejeta. How to analyze?
Yacha.
Yaja,
Plus Ya.
Ya, and the Eta. And then, how become?
Okay.
Jaya become Jaja, right?
Yes. And E insert it become Ya become E.
Which rule?
Yasa Ikaro.
Hmm?
Yasa Ikaro.
Yes, sir, Igaro. Where? You create?
She created the
You are grammarian. Can you find?
Ya become
Okay, try to find out. So, okay. Now to find where you find? In the Gijana 8 chapter. Which chapter? In which chapter you find? Why?
Because from the root.
Gita also from the root.
But the
So now we are learning the Gita chapter. That is that you should find in the Gita chapter first. But if not, go back to the Akhyatta like that. Because Gita and Akhyatta and Gita are so the number one soda we find that is 610 in the Gita. 610. Kijana. What is it? Read again.
For
610.
yes.
Yajasa Sarasa 80. And Wodi? Yaja Ejidasa. Oh, where you find? Page number.
Yajasa sarisa ite. In the morning I find it bird, it love, it that means
Okay. Read it. So that is Teberi with the touch surface.
yes,
Okay. But here not with the touch surface, right?
yes,
Okay. Touch surface means actually touch surface. So not this one. Now but here Ru Yaja become E. Yeta, you see?
yes.
Okay, that one also we should know. That is fine. Firstly we find that one. What about next?
No, it's not this one. In this morning I try to find
But no.
I cannot. So it recommend the Yasa Igaro
No.
and I think it's
So the number 503.
503. Đã cho danh máu rồi.
Mm.
503. Yes, Yacha Asa this
Okay.
is yes, it's it can
Read.
yes.
Yajasa disi.
Yajasa this
You just
Disi.
Daisy. What does that mean?
E for the initial
Initial
of the yes, that means
the initial of the root yaja take E as its substitute when the suffix ya comes. Is made.
Yaja Ejidasa Dadusa Adesa Ikarade so hodi Yapiji Beri. When Yapiji Beri your surface follow the beginning letter of
The root
Ruyaj become E. Ejadi Maya Bodo. You see?
yes.
Ejadi Maya Bodo.
Ichite.
Now, connected with the Ruyaj, two soda we find.
Yes.
One is what?
610.
No number. Number is not useful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is why I ask you to read out.
Okay,
Yajasa
Yajasa Sarasi.
Yajasa Sarasate.
Yes.
Okay. Here, Yajasa Sarasa 8 te. Now two rules. One is Yajasa. So Sarasa actually E and the T but dropping. Yajasa Sarasa T. Now this soda is what is it?
Yajasa Disi.
Yajasa
Disi.
Desi.
Disi.
Adesa E dropping. Combine Sandy, you see? So now before going to that soda, so your duty you need to find out. Now so Ruyaj has special change in. Right. The first one is, so what is the meaning of this soda? Okay, te or ya or something like that, but just focus on the root is yaja. According to the first rule, this one is first rule, this one is second rule. According to the first rule, form how can happen?
Third group.
Yajasa, sarasa, e, right?
Inside.
Yajasa, sarasa, e, te, leave it for a while. Now just to focus on that. Okay, Ru Raja Dadan draw. Now Jajasa Sarasa in the yard, Sara is just up. Right? But A become the E. So that is a root form will be yeet. Right? How to understand the sutta, I explain it. Now in the second sutta, what does it mean? Root is yaja. Yaja, Dadri is draw. Now yat. Yajasa, adesa, eat. Adesa means the beginning one.
Icha.
But that step is not included in the book. But you need to understand what exactly mean by the book, by the sutta. That is when each day, now yaj become each, and then jaya become jaja. Each you see. Now when we go back to the sutta, bhavija. According to the first rule, yaj become yij. But according to the second rule, yaj become each. Two way. There is an ejati, but in the first one, yetta, you see? Only a become e, but in this so that the whole ya become e. Okay, now go back to the Badaruba Seti. Five 580, right?
Yes,
Okay. 580. So that is an ejata, ejati, and ejasati, but yajana, not ejana. You see? Yajana, ejana. Okay, now, so ejata, ejati, ejasati, because of ya surface. So, finally, beginning ya of root ya become e. Ejata, ejati, ejasati. Okay, now, what does it mean root ya?
Yeah, mean was Dewa Puja.
Dewa Puja, Singati Karana Dane Su. Among these many words, which one you know the meaning?
Dewa Puja.
Dewa Puja, what does it mean, Dewa Puja?
Worship the deity.
Hmm?
Worshiping the deity.
Oh, sorry?
Worship the deity.
Worship. Okay. So worshiping the deity. And Singati Karana. Singati Karana Dana. Singati means gathering. Okay. Singati Karana means making group, making gathering. And Dana means offering. So, actually, briefly, sacrifice. The meaning of that one is sacrifice. Sacrifice, but in the Kijai, Bharuba Seti, root meaning explained like this. Dewa Puja, worshiping deity, associating, making and giving. No, not making. So how to understand Yajati?
Yajati.
What does it mean, Yajati, as a verb form?
Worship.
Sacrifice. What does it mean, sacrifice?
You offer the deity. Cúng tế mà.
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice means offering. Check in the English dictionary. What does it mean, sacrifice?
It is like a ceremony for
Because now you are not just diploma student, BA student, MA student. That is why, just the meaning given in the dictionary, we should not believe. We should not take why they translate like that or what original Pali word really means. We need to do research.
Today Sadao don't have internet.
So in hosted internet is now cut off. How to spell sacrifice?
okay. S-I-C-R-A-C-R
S-I S-A-C-R-I-F-I-C. So sacrifice means the fact of giving up. You see? Giving up, no offering. The fact of giving up something or important or valuable to you in order to get or do something that seems more important. The act of offering something to a god, that is the next meaning. Especially animal that has been killed, not just anyone, not just clothes, not just food. You see?
That means the action of
That is connected with the religion, okay, Brahmanism or Hinduism, not Hinduism, maybe some Asian, religion, kill the animal in front of the sacrifice bowl, or maybe the animals are still alive, but by burning, so something like that. So at the time, have you seen such a activity on movie or somewhere? Sacrificing in the Asian movie, like some Roman movie or some Greek movie, sacrificing at the Asian time.
I didn't see
Maybe,
it,
but
but
for a long time now I cannot remember.
Okay, it's okay, it's
exactly.
okay. But the point I want you to understand is for that is a kind of the activity or ceremony, right?
yes.
So have you seen such a ceremony held by a single one?
No,
No,
many people.
many people. That is why Singadi Karana. You see? Pali Waha make sense. That is a kind of the offering, but gathering many people, especially to offer to the deva or some their believer or some their believing God or something like that. Not just offering, not just simply offering. You offer me, I offer you, or the other one. Not just like that.
That means the long Pali word, but the 1 minute.
Yeah, that is the one is sacrifice. So sacrifice at that time we may think or sacrifice is the same as offering or something like no. If so, maybe in Pali, just dana, where we say dani or something like that. That is whenever we find new word, we need to check the meaning, why translate, or why. We need why question. So in this way, we can train our skill of research, skill of critical thought, critical thinking. So in this way, we can improve ourselves in knowledge. Only relying on dictionary, just click on dictionary, or just believe on the meaning given by dictionary, not just that. That is just diploma level. So at the time, in the EN translation, they translate in the sense of worshiping deity, associating, making, and giving. They separate like that. So at the time we made the Jajati is just to make, or just to associate, or just to give, or just to worship deity, not like that. Only one meaning. Okay. So that is in Myanmar next year also. That one is translated in this way.
Si pu yo chin.
Buyati Bhawana. Dewa Puja. Instead of Singati, actually Sakati. Sakati means Sakara Danisu. Yeah, so worshiping deity.
Sakete, it is caustic. So the call to make the
Which one is positive?
so don't say it is Saketi.
No, but form Sakati, Sakara. Instead of Singati, Singara. That is different reading. It's okay. Now Singati Karana. So even though here many meaning, but so the but form is found only in the sacrifice. But when sacrificing, so people are a group in this way, also can be understood. That is why in translation just sacrifice like that. Okay, now so this part also we finish. So Dewa Puja Singati Karana Dhani Su. Maybe he has separated worshiping deity or associating or honoring. Actually, all Singati Karana is a kind of honoring according to that list here. But leave it okay, different reading. And also Dana offering, but separated. But so okay, Dana also can be understood. But Singati, Ruja in the form of the gathering we could not find as a bad form. So that is a later Yago. The meaning of the Yago is just sacrifice.
So Sangati here, not if not the verb from what form is it?
No, but for noun form,
Noun
like a
form.
BT or Gati or something like that. Sam, previous root, gam, and the D ma draw. Sangati means gather. Sangachati as a platform.
It is the guitar.
Yeah. Platform in the middle of compound will not be found. Okay. Now, so this what we finished. And then Yonjana Yogo.
The same meaning.
Who said the same meaning?
I says.
Maybe different.
So meditation practitioner in Pali, how to say?
yoga,
Yoga, yogi. Yoga is meditation practice. The one who is yogi. So practitioner, who practice, or yoga, or applying, who applying the meditation practice. So as a verb form, which root should be here?
yun,
Huge, not yaj. You see? Huge, yojati, yojati or yojati. That is a yonjanan yoga. Yonjanan yoga, making effort actually. Yonjana means making effort. Engaging, or joining with, or making effort. Okay, now how become yoga from the root yuja?
root blood with na surface,
Mm-hmm.
yuja, of the root, elastic, na root under, drop, and O become O rooty,
Mm-hmm.
yes, and just become the yak.
Okay. Now next part.
Bow,
Baja Sewayan Abhijita Vijati Vijayasati Vajanawa Bhago. And then continuously. Arijita Rijati Vijayasati Rajanawa Bhago Jasa Gagaro. Here you see, starting from the root side, Saja, root Jaja, Yaja, Yuja, now Baja and Raja, Ranja, all Ja become the Ga. So Jasa Gagaro is not only for the Baja and Raga and Bhaga, the other one like Jaga, Yoga, Yaga are also included. That explanation is about that one. So now the same way. Okay, Bhago firstly, how root is
Baja,
Baja. Sabe is Na. So the same way, right? So and then Vijayasati, Abhijita, Vijati, Vijayasati with the Ya suffix, right?
yes,
Okay. And then what does it mean, Baja?
Baja Sewayan,
Mm-hmm.
So
Siwati,
associate.
associate, Asiwanaja Balana, Asiwanaja Balana, Bandida Ninja, Siwana, Siwa, associate, to associate. So Bhago. What does it mean, Bhago?
associating,
Associating. Okay. Well, can you check the word Bhaga in the dictionary? What does it mean?
Part, portion,
Part,
share,
portion, share.
measure, class, category, group, subdivision.
Part, portion, fraction, share. We can find association. Right? So how? The meaning of root batch is associate, noun, share or part or portion.
Shares also as portion.
Hmm?
Vipassana Pupang Pupapaga association. That's
Bago,
okay.
Bajasi Waya Association Bago. So need to be considered. Bajasi Waya.
We can understand the say why like the meaning of service or not. So we can under the meaning of the word baja means the service.
Baja means service.
Yes. Service that means we can share with all the person.
So okay, firstly you said already associate. Connected with the association, how to understand service, how to understand share, how to understand part or portion.
Portion if we understand that the portion, that means we need to connect with the part together. So
You connect with the part.
yes,
You are also a kind of part.
no,
Okay. Now you are, or all of you are associated with me. Okay. So at the time, if you are not associated with me, I can share my knowledge with you. Right?
yes,
Only when. So too, if I am not associated with you, you cannot give your service to me. I cannot give my service to you. You see? Only when they associate with each other, so connected with each other, we can share. And also the other way we can understand. So for example, one thing, now if you have your tablet, so that tablet is your own. You don't need to share with others. But so connected with that tablet, maybe you borrow some money from your friend, but you can't get back or something like that. So at the time, that iPad or tablet is partly connected with your friend. So at the time, you need to share or something because you can't pay back money. So maybe sharing, using or something like that. No, just to understand association and sharing or part like that. So even though I have many properties, but those properties are not connected with any other, even though they are my friend, they are my student, they are my parent. Only if I want to give, I can give it. Only if I have the intention of sharing, want to share, I can share, or something like that. So that means when I think, oh, I should share my property with them, so something relation, association, or they are my friend, or they are my parent, or they are needed, or they are in need of help, or something like that. One way or another, we try to associate with each other. So in this it can be understood. So that is, based on the meaning to catch the word become developed, how become developed. Okay. So that is why, budget D in this way can be understood. So budget D is sometimes associated, but the literal meaning of that one is associated, but later budget D as a budget causative form, shared or divide. Commonly associate budget D, but later budget D. So divide means because of associated, that association make divide. Make to divide into 2 parts or 3 parts like that. So in this way later become the bago. So that means bago means association literally, but because of association later we share. But the meaning, the word bago in the sense of association rarely used. Only in the sense of portion or service or share, in that meaning we use. So in this way, widely can be understood. So one way or another, they are connected or associated like that. Okay, so now Bago we finish. And then after that, what is it? Bago. And then Arijeta, Rijati, Rijisati, Rajanawa, Rago. Rago means
Loss.
attachment, lust. Root is Raj, ranch, right? We have studied that one.
Right.
To die or to attach, to stick on something. Okay, now the same way you see, Ja become Ga. So in these Sutta you see, so those who ending in the Ja, like a Si Ja, Su Ja, those who ending in the Ja, like a Jaja, Yeja, Vaja, now Raja, or Yuja and Raja. In this way. So Ja become the Ka. That is when Si Go, So Go. So Si Ja Si Go. And Baja Ba Go. We have studied, right? Baja, Si Ja, Su Ja. Baja become Ba Go. Si Ja becomes So Si Go. Su Ja becomes So Go. Ye Jaja, Yeja, Yuja, Baja, Raja. So in this way, summarizingly, we can get. Okay, what about next? Daha, Basami, Karani, Bari Dashaheta, Bari Dashati, Bari Dashasati, Bari Dashanawadi Ate, Na Bajayo. But this Sutta also connected with the Bhawa, but not under with the Bhawa Sutta, Bhawi Sutta, with the another Sutta. For that, by changing, child has not so cannot be formed. That is why how to form it is. How the word form. So when we explain, that is the next sutta. Okay, now 581. Read together. Dahasa Dolam. Daha Eji Dasa Dadosa Dagaro Leda Mabijede Na Bijaye Beri. Okay, what does it mean?
The root Daha.
No easy way, step by step, systematically you should consider.
Okay,
Na Bijaye Beri, followed by Na surface. The Hasa Dagarasa. The letter Da become La. Which Da? Da from where?
From root.
From root of Daha. Okay, Da of Daha become La when Na surface follow. So in this way, systematically, you should consider. No easy way. So when we follow the easy way, we can make mistake easily. That is why OD is important. So we should read fast. So now root is Daha. What does it mean, Daha? Root Daha mean?
Daha means Basmi Karani.
Basami Karani. Basami Karani, which one you familiar?
Karani.
Karani, doing or making. Basami. Basmi mean ash. You know ash? A-S-H, ash.
So that is to burn.
Right. Making ash. When it is burning, it becomes ash. So making ash means setting fire. So Basami Karani, literal meaning of that one is setting fire. That means to burn. Or making ash means burn. After burning, at the end of burning, all of them come into ash, right? Okay. You see, Paliwa explaining in this way. So in the sense of burning, but in translation, just in the sense of burning, actually making ash. So now, example, Very laho. Very laho, how to explain?
The repeat.
Brief breeze. Root is daha. Surface is na surface. And then
So the has either ending of the root is the rock
okay.
and Nanupanda is the rock
Also draw.
and da become the la.
Na ikan la. Now finish.
Yes. Ah.
The end as well after the Nanupanda the root become
Okay. So very laho. But in this sutta, la with the door or without door?
with the dog
Without door. But in the example,
with the dog.
what happened?
La become the la.
Hmm?
La ling then so la become the lingual la.
Okay, which true?
Okay, la so la lasa la lo. Okay, Kachayana.
Doda saja.
Yeah.
No lesson.
Yeah, la last. It is suitable, right, Saro?
No, not all the time. So behind that, there will be reason why la without door become the with the door. Because that la is not original la coming from the da. Coming from the da. So that da also in the middle of two vowel. So bri is ending in the e. That la also ending in the r. So between two vowel. So that is called the intervocalic. Between two vowel. Situation in the between two vowel. So at that time, so da become with the dot in Sanskrit, but that da with the dot in Pali, so become with the become la with the dot. So in this way, when we study philology or the linguistic systematically, but here just follow according to Kijana, the hazard dot and da become la, but la without dot become with the dot. Maybe if you don't know, so Gwajita do or something like that. Yeah, Dora Saja also, you can say that. But not so logical, that is just grammar. But logically also we should understand, we are researcher. Why? Whenever we see something not clear to us, why? And to try to solve that such a problem, why happen? Okay, so now Bri Lahore, banning or heat. Bri Dahor, that is exception. So what about next? Banja, awa madani. Awa madana. What does it mean, awa madana? So pondering, crushing. So some more, some more cake or dry cake. So you want to eat. So firstly we crush into pieces. Yeah, banja is crush into pieces. Break it into pieces. Break something into pieces. Crushing. C-R-U-S-H, crush is awa madana. But mada is sometimes we can found in the sense of massaging. But here awa madana. So if someone give massage to you strongly, other than you may be painful, you will be painful, right? So here that is awa. Awa is down or deep massaging or strong massaging. So at the time something become into powder or pieces like that. Awa madana. So awa madana means crushing, but madana means massaging. Madadi, can you find madadi? What is it, madadi?
Squeeze, fresh. Squeeze, like you squeeze the lemon, you press.
Okay.
Crottamble swatches.
Madadi, Madana. Madana also crushing, trembling, thrashing, or massaging for making massage in this way. But here I want Madana mean down. So destroying, I cannot destroying to change form, to change into different form. So that is become pieces. So now root is banj. Okay, banja, our madani, banjanam, bengo. You see in the Abhidhamma, Obada, TD, benga. What does that mean, benga?
Dissolution.
Yeah, dissolution, that means ruin. Because of crushing too much or something like that in this way can be understood. That the form already broken, right? Yeah, in this way can be understood. So, can you find the verb banjati? In the dictionary, banjati, B-H-A, nya, ja, a, di. Break.
Up, destroy.
Yeah. So if you cut the tree, or maybe if you cut the flower from the tree, so like a flower, but you take a flower, so at the time we need to break it into pieces. That one also banjati. You see? So because changing the form, broken in this way.
So we can call it pluck.
Okay. Now the ja became the ga. Because of ja becoming ga, na also becoming nya, you see? Because na and ja are banja. So that is a bingo, you see. Bingo. Or but in the noun form, in the verb form, benjana, jana, you see? Nya ja. But bingo, the ja become ga bango. Okay. Banga. Ga is so ga group, gatra group, that is fine. Nya become nga also. Oh, this all the now next example we should finish. Sanja, Sengi, Senjana, Sengo, Nasa, Nikhidan. You see, in the Banja also actually B-A-N-Ja, but now become Nikihida. Then Nikida later become Nya, you see. In the one Sutta also we have learned studied that one. We have studied already. Now Sanja also now become Nikihida. Sanja later, then Nikida become Nya, that or Nikida become Nga, that is when Sengo. Okay, Senga, Sanjati, Senga. What does it mean, Senga? Singi. Singi. Can you find the meaning?
Attachment.
Attachment, right? Attach. Clinging. Stick. Like a ranch, the same ranch, sanj, they're synonymous. Sangi, nasa, nighidan, nabikan. That is when singo, singami, attachment. Okay. But next example is not finished yet. That is for the next sutta. Biji singama kariyadi sinkaradi dina wadi ate wizaruja bradi don nadi sinkaranadi ate bawajadi nabiteyo. Or Namidi would the day after the Buddha's Mubabri and so on. Okay, let's stop for today. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.